All right, so if you watched my last video, it was product reviews, and one of the main things that I touched on was the packaging. Now, I mentioned it before, I think it's like part of the marketing in me that I love to see how things are packaged and put together and then sent out to the customers. So when this company reached out to me and asked me if I would do a collaboration with them, I, of course, always research the company, and one of the things that I noticed is that I had actually purchased something from them a few months ago without even knowing it. So they are a company, they're based out of China, it's Tinya, and their website is bigboxesofchocolates.com. I do have a package here that they sent me. So while I was researching, and I'm gonna go ahead and open this, while I was researching the company and the product, I realized that when I went to New York, I had gifted my friend some gourmet pretzels. And one of the sellers for me, other than I wanted something that was going to be personalized, was the packaging. The packaging sold me. I'm going to show you a picture of the product that I bought, and I'll show you, I actually ordered it off of Amazon. So here's the actual purchased one that I had for my friend. And then this is her holding it. Of how she received it, and it was intact. It was beautiful. When she opened it, everything was just lined up so nice. So I'm very excited to do this review for you. So here is the box. This is how it came, and you will be genuinely surprised, as I was as well. The company, one of the companies that they do the packaging for, and here it is. Ferrero chocolates. So they did end up sending me this box of chocolates, and we're gonna go ahead and look at the entire packaging, which again is very exciting for me because I do love that whole marketing aspect of presentation. Okay, so before we get into it, I do want to let you know that this is a high-end gift box. This box of chocolates can be given as a gift. With Valentine's Day coming, this would be perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Obviously, you as a company would be in charge of the design. You work with their designers, you would work with their whole team from start to finish so that they can give you the highest quality of packaging. So anyway, again, this company does do a very high quality. This had a little plastic tag to seal everything in place. And they do work with high-end machinery so that they can get that precise cut for you. I'm gonna go ahead and take the tape off. Here is the box. And I love this already. How nicely they have everything sealed together. It's not flimsy, it's not gonna fall apart. I showed it to you coming straight out of the box. Like I said, I was already very happy to see that I had purchased something based on the presentation of the box. And when it got to New York and I got to see what it looked like, that even sold me. I was like, wow, I really picked a great product for her. But when this company reached out and said, would you do this, without even knowing, I was sold. This company is based out of China, and their goal and their vision and their mission is to become the first choice supplier of paper box products in the world. And they are definitely heading in that direction. Like I said, they have very high quality items. I love the boxing, how precise everything is sealed. You can see here the cuts, the design. And you are in charge. You are in charge of the design. You'll be working with their designers, their sales team. And again, I'll show you the back of the box. Again, the packaging is very important to me. Everything just lays very nicely. The precision, they are world class. They're doing such an amazing job. And I will just continue to show this to you, because whether you're a small business owner or a large and you're looking for packaging, this is a company to go for. And they do custom made packaging as far as the printing is concerned. Like this one, you can see the embossing, the design, everything is just very high quality. So if you are looking for packaging boxes for chocolates, whether they're small boxes or big boxes of chocolates, they can provide that service for you. And if you're looking for decorative chocolate boxes like this one, and even for weddings, like wedding chocolate boxes, they can do that for you as well. So what I will do is definitely place a link in the description below to the product itself, the company, and then a little video clip of what their company provides. So as I mentioned, you'd be working with the company directly for the design, the size of the box, exactly what you're looking for your particular product. All of the details on how to contact them and their website will be linked down in the description below. And if you're looking for this particular box of chocolates, that will be down below as well. You can order it through Amazon, and you know exactly how it'll arrive. And of course, we cannot end this without trying the chocolates. I'm going to go ahead and try this. I'm going to open this up. I'm excited. This is one of my favorite chocolates, and I have such a sweet tooth, but remember, with Valentine's Day coming, it would make a great, great gift. So I am going to try the very first one. It's a beautiful, look at this wonderful little chocolate. Look at the back. Ugh. Anyway, oh my gosh. The quality and the freshness of this chocolate is unbelievable. So with that said, I am going to go ahead and end this. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. And just remember, this is a high-end gift box. And it is a high-end gift box of chocolates. So it can definitely be given as a gift. So again, if you do have any need for gift boxes, reach out to Tinya. They can go ahead and help you. I will leave all of the information down below in the description so that you can go ahead and contact them. And I'll also leave a link to this from Amazon so that you can buy this exact box of chocolates. Anyway, you guys, I am going to go ahead and let you go. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.